5 home remedies for bumps after waxing. Our hair resides in hair follicles in the skin. When waxed, these hairs are pulled out with force and this causes stress on the skin. The basic response of the body to this is inflammation of the site subjected to this stress. The swelling of the hair follicles usually goes down by itself in a day or two. At times, these follicles can get infected and develop bumps filled with a liquid. Aloe vera. This remedy can be used to treat waxing bumps on body parts like the chest and legs as well as the bikini line. Aloe vera soothes inflammation and itching. It also moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Apply this every night before going to bed. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil can be a lifesaver and one of the best essential oils for treating waxing bumps. It prevents infections because of its antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It also speeds up the skin's natural healing process. Apple cider vinegar. This is a great remedy for bumps on the face and bikini wax bumps. The astringent and antiseptic properties of ACV prove to be beneficial in this case. It balances the skin's pH and also reduces inflammation. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is more of the preventive measure than a remedy. It soothes inflamed and red skin. It is also an emollient that can condition and moisturize your skin. Its antioxidant content helps to accelerate the recovery process of the skin after having gone through the waxing session. Witch hazel. This is an excellent coolant that soothes the skin. It has antiseptic, astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. Use this for white bumps that are formed on the upper lip after waxing to prevent them from flaring up.